7. Natural medicines to shrink an enlarged prostate. Secrets every man must know. Gentlemen, imagine regaining your freedom without invasive procedures, harsh medications, or uncomfortable side effects. Today, we're diving into the ancient world of natural remedies, a time-tested approach to shrinking an enlarged prostate and reclaiming your comfort. What if the solution to your discomfort was right in your kitchen or local health store? Stay tuned to find out the 7 powerful natural medicines that could change your life forever. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we cover everything from natural health remedies to expert wellness tips that can help you take charge of your health. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content that empowers you to live your healthiest life. And hey, tap that notification bell so you'll never miss a video packed with value. Before we dive into the remedies, let's set the stage with a quick understanding of what an enlarged prostate is and why it's such a common issue for men as they age. The prostate is a small gland located just below the bladder. As men get older, this gland often enlarges, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. This can lead to frequent urination, a weak urine stream, and discomfort that impacts your quality of life. While modern medicine offers treatments like medications or surgeries, these options often come with significant side effects, such as erectile dysfunction, dizziness, or a dependency on pills. That's why more men are turning to natural solutions, remedies that work with your body, not against it. Many of these remedies have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and are now backed by science. Let's dive in. Natural medicines to shrink an enlarged prostate. Saw Palmetto. Saw Palmetto has been a game changer for prostate health. It works by inhibiting the production of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone linked to prostate enlargement. Clinical studies have shown that it can reduce symptoms like frequent urination and improve overall urinary flow. Saw Palmetto is available in supplement form, and the best time to consume it is by taking 1-2 capsules or as directed by the label, preferably with a meal to enhance absorption. 2. Pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil is not just a tasty addition to your diet, but also a powerful remedy for prostate health. Rich in zinc and phytosterols, compounds that reduce inflammation and promote healthy urine flow, it is incredibly beneficial. To get the best results, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, or mixed into a smoothie or salad. 3. Stinging nettle root. Stinging nettle root is a hidden gem for prostate health, working by reducing inflammation and inhibiting DHT. This herb is often combined with saw palmetto for a synergistic effect and offers additional support for urinary tract health. To use it effectively, steep 1-2 teaspoons of dried nettle root in hot water for 10 minutes to make a tea. Drink this tea twice daily, preferably after meals. 4. Pygam bark. Pygam bark, derived from the African cherry tree, has been used for generations to treat urinary and prostate issues. Packed with plant sterols, it reduces inflammation and improves urine flow. To incorporate pygam into your routine, take 50 to 100 milligrams of its extract daily as a supplement, ideally with a meal to maximize absorption. 5. Green tea extract. Green tea extract is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which reduce the risk of prostate enlargement and may lower the chances of developing prostate cancer. Drinking 2-3 cups of green tea throughout the day, or taking 300 to 500 milligrams of green tea extract supplement in the morning on an empty stomach will provide optimal benefits. 6. Lycopene. Lycopene, the antioxidant found in tomatoes, is a powerhouse for prostate health. It combats oxidative stress that contributes to inflammation and enlargement. To maximize its benefits, incorporate cooked tomatoes, such as in sauces or pastes, into your meals daily. Cooking enhances lycopene's bioavailability, making warm dishes like soups or stews an excellent choice. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatories. It reduces swelling in the prostate and improves urinary symptoms. For best results, take 1-2 teaspoons of turmeric powder daily, mixed with warm water, milk, or tea. Pair it with black pepper and healthy fats like coconut oil to enhance absorption, and consume it in the morning or with dinner. Before starting any new supplement or natural remedy, consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medications or have existing health conditions. Natural remedies are powerful but work best as part of a holistic approach to health. There you have it. 7 natural remedies to help you shrink an enlarged prostate and take control of your health. Which of these remedies are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more expert health tips and natural solutions. Remember to hit the notification bell so you're always the first to know when we release new content. Here's to your health and vitality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.